Welcome to this comprehensive guide on understanding dysgraphia. Today, we will explore the multifaceted nature of writing disorders and how we can support every learner. The study of writing disorders has evolved from early brain injury models to the current inclusion of dysgraphia under the umbrella of specific learning disabilities. Crucially, we have shifted from a deficit model to inclusive, strength-based approaches that focus on a child's potential rather than just their struggles. National and international policies, such as India's RPWD Act, now mandate inclusive education frameworks to ensure that no child is left behind. Neurobiologically, writing begins in the frontal lobe. This region is responsible for executive function, planning, and organizing thoughts before they reach the page. The parietal lobe then takes over, handling the spatial processing required to place letters on a line and manage the physical layout of writing. Finally, the cerebellum coordinates the fine motor control and graphomotor skills needed for the fluid movement of the hand. Cognitive processes like working memory and orthographic processing must work in harmony to formulate language into written symbols. Dysgraphia rarely exists in isolation. It is often comorbid with dyslexia, ADHD, or developmental coordination disorder. Assessment is a multidisciplinary journey. We use standardized and informal tools to evaluate the entire writing process, from planning to revision. We analyze transcription errors, spelling, and grammar to build a functional and ecological profile of the student's needs. Evidence-based instruction is key. Models like SRSD provide students with explicit strategies to regulate their own writing process. Motor and sensory interventions, including occupational therapy techniques, help students build the physical skills required for handwriting. Assistive technology is a game changer. Speech-to-text systems and word prediction software help students bypass the physical act of writing to share their knowledge. In the inclusive classroom, the teacher acts as a facilitator, adapting the curriculum to meet diverse needs through differentiation. Universal design for learning ensures that multiple means of representation and expression are available to every student from the start. Simple tools like a visual weight card can provide the necessary time for a student to process instructions before they begin to write. Addressing writing anxiety is just as important as the mechanics. We must focus on building self-efficacy and confidence in every learner. A family-centered model involves parent counseling and awareness, ensuring that support continues seamlessly from school to home. Regular feedback and home-based programs empower parents to be active partners in their child's educational journey. Through case-based learning and research discussions, we can continuously refine our intervention portfolios and strategies. Reflective teaching allows us to monitor progress and adapt our methods to ensure the best outcomes for students with dysgraphia. Our final goal is growth. By building bridges between motor, cognitive, and linguistic systems, we empower every student to find their voice.